What is going on, guys? I am back and I'm going to be making more and more content, being a little bit more consistent with uploading. I know we've been super busy with opening up our new location here in Airdrie, you know, just on the outskirts of Calgary to the north end there. So we're super pumped to be bringing you guys that new shop and that new location to service everybody. We are actually headed on our way down to that location right now, so I'm going to give you guys a bit of an update, tell you how we're making out, what kind of things we're going to be doing different for this location compared to some of our other shops, and overall just kind of doing some unique cool things for this place, man. I think it's going to have a lot of potential coming up for the new shop. It's got a lot more space and it's got some offices upstairs that we're going to be creating a few other opportunities, I guess you could say, and I think that's going to be super exciting. So we'll be bringing some of those things up here in a little bit as well. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's check out the shop. I just got into the building here, so I'm going to give you guys kind of a quick walkthrough of what it looks like. We have already started demolition and construction has already started. I will put some before pictures of kind of what the showroom looked like. It looked alright. There was a lot of office space up in the front, but we were kind of going for like the the full open space kind of concept. Most of our locations are like that. We don't like kind of have like it all kind of blocked off, but I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So we do have some stairs up to some offices up here, and then we have our actual showroom space in here. So as you guys can tell, there was an office right here. There was an office right here. They've already started demolition in here. And looks like we've already had some conduits have already been cut out and put back into place. This is where all of the electrical will end up running to. Got some work going on in here. And then we have our 4-post hoists that are here. That's a rotary, and then this guy, I believe, is a forward. And then we have all of our tire machines are all over there. And then some more conduits being dug out right over here. So yeah, it kind of gives you what the shop space looks like. Obviously, still have lots of work to do. We have probably a couple more weeks in here to get everything kind of up and going. But let me show you guys the office space upstairs as well. Got another office up here. And one more office up here, which we have some pretty exciting stuff that's going to happen here. Keep you guys tuned up and make sure you guys are all updated with all the new videos that we got coming out. But that's it for